crispy, spicy things. But today Buzz Cooks is changing up the game. We're taking that buffalo flavor and giving it a brand new name. Today we're making Buffalo Beef Burritos. That's right, the spicy kick you love. Now wrapped up tight and fried to golden perfection.
Who doesn't love buffalo chicken wings? Well, today we're taking that whole premise and we're twisting it, and we're making Buffalo Beef Burritos. That's right. So I've got about 2 pounds of chuck roast. Just going to season with salt, pepper, all sides. I get my crock pot out. We're going to lay those pieces of meat in the crock pot. And then we'll put about 2.5 cups of Frank's RedHot right on top of that meat. Just like that. Then we'll come back with some Worcestershire sauce, a couple splashes in there. And lastly, 1 stick of butter. And we're going to put this on high. And we're going to let this go for about 6 hours until that meat is super tender. And once it's super tender, we're going to take it out, get our KitchenAid out. Or you can use 2 forks and do it the old-fashioned way. But I like to use my KitchenAid to shred this beef real easy and quick. Won't take long because it's super tender. So we'll get it into our bowl. And we'll put our paddle on. And we'll let this go for about a minute. Maybe it's probably less than that, more like 30 seconds. And that's going to shred that beef up perfectly. Now once we get all this beef shredded, we're going to get some shredded cheddar cheese. And we'll need some large flour tortillas. We're going to need 1 frying pan with some oil in it. And some blue cheese or ranch dressing, whichever is your favorite for dipping. And we'll be ready to put these together. So, lay down that flour tortilla. And we're going to put some of that shredded beef right in the end there. And then some cheddar cheese. And then we'll roll it up nice and tight. Pull it back. Bring in the sides. And roll it the rest of the way. And there we go. 1 burrito ready. So while I'm doing the other burrito, if I can remind you to please like, share, subscribe. Hit that bell to stay up to date on newest recipes. New video every Saturday. I almost said Saturday. New videos every Sunday and Wednesday. Make sure you hype if you can. And leave a comment. I really appreciate y'all very much. So again, pull back. Bring in the sides. And roll the rest of the way. So we'll get the rest of these burritos made up. Then we'll switch over to our oil, because we're going to fry these real quick. Almost like a chimichanga style. Just to give them a little crispy. I think crispy burritos are better, especially when it comes for the whole buffalo flavor wing type scenario that we're doing here. So they're going to cook pretty quick on each side, about less than a minute each side, just to get nice and crispy. And brown just like that, and we'll roll them over. Then we'll take them out and drain them on some paper towel. And we'll serve them with our blue cheese or ranch, whatever you want. And you have a delicious alternative to buffalo wings. You've got Buffalo Beef Burritos. Give these a try. I think everybody's going to love them. You got the big games coming up. I think this might be the perfect time to introduce this to your family and friends. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.
I know you've heard of buffalo wings. I mean, who doesn't love those crispy, spicy things? But today Buzz Cooks is changing up the game. We're taking that buffalo flavor and giving it a brand